Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So yesterday I had uploaded a video. It's called as the Jackpot World's Easiest Option Strategy. People those who have not gone through the video, I request you to just go through the video. It's one of the simplest and easiest video. Friends, I had told it's for beginners. It's for people who have no experience in options trading, and it is very easy, very simple. Please go through the video. People those who have not watched the video. It has just been uploaded, and there's good response. Many people are trying it out, and also many had requested me to just backtest it, just check it for 1 or 2 days. As I already told you, I had tested before, but now I just want to show you performance of 4th February. Okay, so as you see, I had taken data from Sensible website. Okay, so today being 4th, these were the stocks which results were announced. That is Exide Industries, SREI Infrastructure Finance, SRF Limited, IDBI Bank and IRB Infrastructure Developers. And fortunately all these companies have derivatives, they have options. So we were able to trade in all of these. Okay friends, so what I did was I put it into my Kite software and I checked out the levels. You can see there is big movement I have kept each day. You can see there is very big movement because of the result. So then I just took the back data to check, to cross check. Then I also took the lot size also to calculate, and finally I have compiled the data, and this is the data which we got on 4th Feb. That is, if you have purchased futures 1 day before or if you have purchased futures morning, this will be the results. And I have not taken the highest value, I have taken the end of the day value. That is, if in case if you are working, you are not able to book profits in between. In case if you are living till end of the day, whatever profit you are going to get, that is what I have calculated. So you can see the stocks here: Exide, SREI, SRF, IRB and IDBI. I have taken the call strike price as I have mentioned in the previous video, and this is the call buy price and this is the call sell price. Similarly for all these stocks. In the same way, PI, this is a P, this is a strike price. I have taken the put buy price and the put sell price. And this was the results, this was the points which we gained in this 5 stocks. Yeah, and when I just multiplied with this lot size by taking it from the Zerodha platform, we were astonished to see that 2 stocks made losses, never mind, but overall the profit was 28,660. This was done within 1 day. People, those who don't have time to trade, those who don't know much about options, this is the easiest and simplest method. As I told you, 1 or 2 stock will give you tremendous result. We must patiently wait for that. That is what exactly was seen here. You can see other stocks were having nominal profits only, but there was one stock which gave almost profit of 26,400, which is the major part in this overall profit. So this is nothing but jackpot strategy. You can't guess whether the stock will go up, or you can't guess whether the stock will go down. It's just like a jackpot, just like a lottery. Just buy both the call and the put features as I've shown here. You have to just buy these value. In the same way put, we have to just buy this value, and we have to wait for next day, or we have to wait till end of the day till 3:15, and we can see that these are the closing prices. Friends, mind you, in between there was high prices. The prices had gone very much high. I'm not taking it. Considering the closing price itself, we have made this profit. Yes, you can also try it out. You can start doing paper trade. This is how you do paper trade. And once you feel confident, if at all you are not confident in 1 or 2 days, practice it for full this month, and then next quarter when the results start coming, you can start implementing. So I just made a demo of 4th Feb results. Okay friends, so people those who are not watched the video, I request you to just watch this video. It's very good, very simple. In layman's English word, I have explained the strategy, how to be done. It's the video here shown as Jackpot World's Easiest Option Strategy. Okay, and people those are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell button. You'll be getting lots of updates, lots of videos. Okay friends, and once again to update you, very soon we are going to start a campaign. As I already informed you, I'll be giving full details about this campaign very soon. So stay tuned till you get these updates about this video. And also to tell you, in case if you want to join Upstock or you want to know any other additional services from ATF, you can just WhatsApp on my number which I mentioned here. It is 8095 876525. Okay friends, thank you and have a nice day.